Korean spicy noodles.
I'm eating up with this.
What's the name then?
It's called bulldog noodles.
Bulldog cream carbonara.
For me, cheese, but it looks little spicy.
Lasa.
Oh, anong lasa na?
Magkaiba yan.
We have a video. Cancel! Cut!
It's okay, continue.
So I prepare a juice.
Din, umpisa na? How was it? Manghang?
Let me try.
Ano yan? Pwede ka naman magsalita.
You're out of the video.
Wait, guys. If you eat the spicy noodles, if you drink water, this is going to be a challenge.
It will not work, guys. So eat. If you want to try like this, you
Here,
need.
here's the baso. I'll
You
give you.
need
Muscle.
to
Sit down, sit
eat
down. I'll give you.
Ice cube, so the spice cannot go up.
But you use cold water?
So we'll try.
Washed out.
Okay.
work out?
I think try this. We're going to try this.
Ah. Hindi pa sila kumakain, nagtutubig na, nagjujuice. Hindi ko alam kung maubos ba talaga to sa dami nito.
Okay, try
Ang
this
ending
first.
nito, si Ojen ang tatapos ng pagkain nyo.
First, we're going to try this cheese bulldog noodles. Okay.
Go. Let's see kung sinong iiyak sa anghang dyan. Yee!
So good!
Hindi maanghang yan, Deng? Totoo?
Manghang yan din.
Pakunwari lang to kasi nakapit.
The challenge
I'm not
is
trying.
you can drink in the end. You
In
can
the
drink-
end?
If
Oh, why I saw you, you're drinking already when you just have one, one round pa lang, one subo, nag-drink ka na. Oh, yan, pangalawang drink mo na yan eh.
Let's go to the next challenge. Next challenge, we're trying the...
Ano?
We're trying this. No, we're trying this.
Yeah,
Hindi kaya ni Ading yan niya. Sobrang angan yan sa'yo. Look at the color, oh.
Yeah, I know.
Mine is so good because
May see?
the spicy is not going.
Okay, let me try.
You might be a little surprised.
It's okay.
I'm going to drink the water first. Before the...
Na-discover lang ni Lan, kaya gusto nilang i-challenge yan.
It's not spicy.
It's not?
Only this.
Ah, okay.
It's good.
Next challenge.
Ah, anong next
We're
challenge?
trying the
What?
black bulldog noodles.
This
Ay.
one.
The spaghetti, OMG, I cannot that one.
Deng, ano yan? Baka lalabas na yung mata mo sa sobrang angang gunting.
It's not spicy for her.
Oh.
No.
Let her try that one niya.
Let
Try.
me just try this out.
Only one.
She wants the sauce.
Ano na? Yan, maubos na yung juice mo, pero yung... Wala.
I never finished this. I drink little because I drink this in the car.
Yeah, but look at your, madami pa, your noodles.
Okay, guys, now we're trying the. We're trying what next? What also kind?
Now we're only this noodle.
Ay, walking. Layo na. 1, 2. Nagwa-walking while si Cassandra naglalaro at si Kuya nasa activity. Hinala na. Ang Kuwait guys sa gabi. Look how beautiful Kuwait is. Ang lapad ng kalsada. Ito yung walking track namin dito. So nice. That is 1,300. Continue lang sa walk. Pabalik tayo sa playground. Kung saan na si Cassandra doon naglalaro. Ang ganda, diba? Ang liwanag. Sarap mag-walking. Kasi ang ganda yung lakaran. Tapos maliwanag. So nice. May ano pa sa dito. Drinking station. Ayan. Lapit na ako sa may playground saan nag-aantay si Cassandra at si Ojan. Malapit na din akong makahay. Malabo man guys. 7K. Whew. Go, go, go lang tayo. We're almost near guys. Ito na tayo. Almost near to the playground. Sarap maglakad. We're almost there. Diyan, main road yan dyan. Yan yung tinatawag nilang Ephraim. Maraming naglalakad, tumatakbo. Tsaka yun, yung doon maraming ilaw. Yun na yung playground. Almost there. Almost there. Malamig. Carry lang. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig talaga. So nice. The weather is so nice. Ito na yung playground. And then snap-nut. Hindi ba yan umalis dyan? Hala! Natapos na lang namin doon. Nandyan ka pa din.
Give me the camera. Stop.
Buti hindi ka natulog dyan.
Muntik na.
Ha?
Hinihilig na siya.
Kung ako dyan, nahili na ako din.
Can you give me the camera?
Oh my goodness, Nat.
Wait. Stop.
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 How you will say? Bakit? Diyan ka lang. Hindi ka nga umalis kanina. Natapos na ako doon maglakad. Ay, nako. Akala ko ba mag-exercise? Nahiga naman to. Higa-higa ka dyan. Madumi na yung buhok mo. Oh my goodness. do you want?
Swing it.
Ah, okay.
Whee! Like a ball.
Hold tight. Woo! 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 Feel na feel mo talaga dyan. It's nice. Really? Ano yan? Ano yan? May papis-pis ka pa dyan. Ano yan? Heart daw, guys. Sabi ni madam. Ay,
Yeah. Like a what?
I'm burping na, guys.
Perfect because you drink Pepsi after you walk.
No, because I walk already. The air in my tummy goes out. My tummy is bloated.
And Pepsi.
No, I didn't drink Pepsi oil.
Nobody's here or something.
Ha? Ano na?
Yan.
Ano yan?
Exercise tayo. Exercise yan.
Hmm? Tuwing umaga. Tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Upang ang katawan natin ay sumigla. Yoko. Ganyan ang exercise. Takbo, lakad. Hindi swing. Pero delikado yan. Baka maya-maya manghingi ng pagkain. Nandun na si Cassandra at saka si Eugene. Tapos na kami mag-park at mag-walking. It's now time to pick up Kuya. Ganda talaga dito maglakad. Ano nakasulat? English or Arabic? What it means daw? Oh, akalain mo yun, Ding? 180 calories once you finish the truck. Once you finish walking sa truck, Ding. 180 calories. Tapos kakain ka ng burger, 200 calories, wala pa din. Oh. Pag-sure din ba? Let's go to the parking space. Hingal small. Hingal. Walk. Si Nat. Hindi man siguro bahay yan. Parang function hall yan eh.